Greetings from SNEC 2025 here in Shanghai at the LONGi booth. Welcome. My name is Michael Schmela. I'm the Managing Director of TaiyangNews, and I'm very happy to have with me Dennis Shi, the Vice President of LONGi and the President of the Utility Group. Hello, Dennis.
Nice
And I'm also happy to have with me Jason Gao, the Chief Technical Expert of TÜV Rheinland. Jason, great to have you. So we are here to speak about an important topic for the solar industry today. And what is concerning the industry today? We're living in a time actually where the solar sector is going through a rough time. And in this time, companies really have to look at reliability. Products have to be reliability that they can withstand actually the test of time and show their quality over their 25, 30 years of lifetime, so that investors really also get the return they've been hoping for. And at this exhibition, the world's largest exhibition, LONGi and TÜV Rheinland have signed a contract on reliability, which is at the core philosophy of LONGi Solar, a world-leading company in the field of modules and solar in its entirety. And I would like to talk about the background of this collaboration and how LONGi looks at the current development of industry standards in solar. Dennis, please.
So, as a leading solar company in the industry, the innovation and reliability is a gene inside LONGi's brand and our value proposition. Okay, so it's a few years ago, LONGi already have a new concept of the quality for the life cycle quality. We think that quality is not only just testing; it's actually we start from design. We have to understand and know how our materials, okay, the whole process of manufacturing. So therefore, we need to work together with the best expert in this field. Then Rheinland, I think, is the best expert in this area. So that's one aspect we work together for that kind of partnership. On the other aspect, the LONGi also is always a leading player to introduce new technology for the industry. For new technology, a new technology platform, the quality standard we have to, understand what is the know-how of this new technology. So we cannot directly, bring the quality standard of PERC, TOPCon apply for back contact directly. Now it's front back contact. So we need to work together with, to Rheinland to understand this new back contact. We need to, develop a very, strict quality standard for the industry for this new technology. So I'm very glad to have this kind of partnership, because it's not only just for testing for laboratory, it's also a very innovative partnership. So it's an innovation.
Jason.
Yeah. So actually, our TÜV Rheinland has worked in this PV area for more than 40 years. So we have seen a lot of technical transition in this process, including the wafer, the solar cells, the lamination methods. So our mission in this process actually to have this kind of technology with a better innovation, quality, reliability, and sustainability to be accepted in this market. So how to achieve this? We always to build the new standard for the specific technologies and the whole assessment frame. So we have worked and collaborated with LONGi for more than about 10 years, and very deep and close cooperation. So because we have a very similar value and attitude to the technical RD and the quality of the products. So this time for this collaboration, our aim is to build the new technical standard for international or the PV industry, and who test or evaluate the frame for not only the BCA, but only for all the PV industry to make sure the healthy and sustainable development of this PV industry.
Okay. Let's talk about a little bit more about back contact technology, right? So this is the highest efficiency technology that's around in the industry. LONGi is a leader here, pushing that technology really into mass production, or bringing it into mass production through its innovation and its strong R&D power that we've seen. And how can you make sure that the full life cycle reliability of its of the BC products can be guaranteed, because it has gone so fast actually, and back contact technology is it's rather new, right? At least at this level.
Huh? Yeah, thank you. Actually, it's not very fast. It took LONGi 7 years to bring this one till today. Okay, it's a long journey for LONGi. So LONGi always, we invest for long term for the R&D. Okay, I think everyone understands. The beauty of back contact is the efficiency, very high efficiency. But few people know that. I think, in my opinion, even the bigger contribution of the back contact to the industry is the reliability. Okay, because of the improvement of the structural sourcing we have done in this technology. Theoretically, we have, improved the reliability and the safety, for solar significantly, because, the soldering process we have done is easier, and we mitigate a lot of reliability problem, including microcrack, hot fault in this technology. Today, solar is not only just, you put panel on the desert. Okay, solar is more and more. Solar is directly in the life of our people. Okay, so reliability and safety is much more, or it's much more important in the past ever. So how to make sure? It's 30 years product can be always whole life cycle be very reliable. That's also another major driver for LONGi to develop back contact, because theoretically it's much better reliable. But it's now whole industry start to follow the back contact. You see from this year's SNEC, more and more company try to, bring back contact product, in their product portfolio. However, we need to make sure the concept of LONGi on the reliability and safety for this technology can be used for the whole industry. That's also another major reason we work together with TÜV Rheinland, okay, to standardize this new quality standard for back contact. Make sure, it can be, much better in reliability and safety.
Okay, let's Jason, TÜV has been around in solar also for ages. Actually, you are really a well-known authority internationally around the globe. And when we look at the quality status of the industry, we have fierce competition at the moment. The prices are at record lows, actually. So there's huge cost pressure in the industry. So what are the issues that need really urgently attention for the products to be improved? So what has to be done here? And if you look then also as back contact, as the prime product actually, which is coming now strong into the market actually. So what do we have to do here actually to make sure that the quality standard is high, reliability is kept also at high levels?
Yes. So actually, in these years, we will see a series of the quality problems in the PV industry. So from the transition from the P-type to N-type technologies, we've seen overrating of the nominal power in this industry, especially for TOPCon, actually. So the negative effects we can still see today. So, and after it, we can see the cost down of the whole PV industry. So we can see some more the quality problems like the glass breakage and some fire. So due to, yes, it's due to the how to say, the coupling effects, maybe not only for one kind of material or components, but for the whole design of this PV module. And we're also seeing some PV manufacturers are selling the poor quality products even with a very good brand. So that's all the problems that we can see in this industry. So let's go back to the BC. Actually, LONGi's new BC products are under our quality control process in Rheinland. Actually, it's a very strict service. So we need to do the power verification and the reliability verification during the full mass production. And yes, of course, the LONGi PV products also gets our reliability award and energy yield simulation award in our AQM ceremony. It's also one of the biggest PV ceremony in the world. And except for the high efficiency of the BCA products, I think one clear advantage for the BCA module is the thermal characteristics. The lower temperature coefficients, the lower NMOT, and lower temperature in hotspot testing. So I mentioned that all the reliability problem is caused by the coupling effect. So and the thermal effect is one of the largest. So it's a basic to promise the PV module, the BCA PV module can have a longer lifetime in the future. So.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you so much for this interview.
Thank you.
Thank you.